Hello students, welcome to South's classes. Today we'll be going to solve the question number 2 from the engineering mathematics portion of civil engineering GATE exam paper of year 2018. Let's start with question number 2. In question number 2 it has been given that for the given orthogonal matrix Q, the matrix Q has been given, the inverse we need to find out of this matrix is the orthogonal matrix Q. The 4 options have been given so far. 4 options have been given. There are 4 options. So now we need to find out the value of a Q inverse. So what we need to do, let me insert another page over here since there is lack of space over here. So let me insert a page over here. What we've been given is that Q is the matrix. Let me write the matrix Q once more. The matrix Q is 3 by 7, 2 by 7, 6 by 7, minus 6 by 7, 3 by 7, 2 by 7, 2 by 7, 6 by 7 and minus 3 by 7. So this is the matrix Q. Now for orthogonal matrix, if Q is an orthogonal matrix, then Q into Q transpose is equal to the identity matrix. So that will imply that Q inverse is equal to the matrix Q transpose. This is the definition of orthogonality. Now we know that Q inverse, the matrix Q inverse is nothing but adjoint of the matrix Q divided by the determinant value of Q. This is the value of Q. This is the value of Q inverse. Now first we'll try to find out the value of the determinant of the matrix Q. So the determinant of the matrix Q will be given by 3 by 7 into minus 9 by 49 minus 12 by 14 plus minus 2 by 7 18 by 49 minus 18 by 49 minus 4 by 49 plus 6 by 7 into minus 36 by 49 minus 6 by 49. Upon solving this, we'll find that the value of determinant of Q is nothing but equal to minus of 1. Now let us find out the value of adjoint of Q. The value of adjoint of Q is nothing but given by minus 21 by 49, 42 by 49, minus 14 by 49, minus 14 by 49, minus 21 by 49, minus 42 by 49, minus 42 by 49, minus 14 by 49 and 21 by 49. If we try to simplify this matrix, this will come down to minus 3 by 7, 6 by 7, minus 2 by 7, minus 2 by 7, minus 3 by 7, minus 6 by 7, minus 6 by 7, minus 2 by 7 and 3 by 7. This is the matrix adjoint of Q. So that implies Q inverse, which is equal to adjoint of Q divided by the determinant value of Q. Now determinant of Q is equal to minus of 1. So this will ultimately go and Q inverse will ultimately become 3 by 7 minus of 6 by 7, 2 by 7. This is the first row. Second row is 2 by 7, 3 by 7 and 6 by 7. And the third row is 6 by 7, 2 by 7 and minus of 3 by 7, which upon inspection we will find out that this is equal to the matrix Q transpose, or basically the inverse Q transpose. So as you can see that the option C is the correct option. So today we have solved question number 2 from the engineering mathematics portion of civil engineering GATE exam paper of year 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.